Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check keyword ranking here on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Checking keyword rankings here on Semrush is a straightforward process. You just have to follow these simple steps. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to navigate to the left side panel of your dashboard and hover to the keyword research. All right. Now, I want you to click the position tracking tool. If you click that, this is where you can track your keyword rankings, if you or any keyword rankings of a specific website or domain, be it your own website or a competitor's. Just enter the domain right here. All right. For example, we're going to be looking at maybe discord.com and press enter, or set up tracking if you want. Now you would be forwarded to this specific page, right? Now, if you haven't set up a project for your website, you'll need to create one. All right, so create the project button and enter the website URL and just follow the setup steps. Now here we need to set up the keyword tracking. Number one option here is for the targeting. You can select the location that you wanted and the device type. For example, if you wanted to enter a country, because the keywords sometimes matter if you are in a specific location. For example, if you are in the real estate niche, so maybe your office are located probably in the United States, inside California, and you wanted just to focus on the California listings, and you do not want to be part of the global keywords. If you get what I mean? So you might want to do that here by entering a specific location. If you don't want that, but if your targeted keywords are tracking keywords that you wanted to, it doesn't it's a broad terms, you might want to choose any leave it for now here. For the search engine, you can use Google, Bing, and for the device, you can use all of these: desktop, mobile, and tablet. For now, I'm gonna be leave it in as it is, the default options. The next thing is gonna be the keyword we're in. All right, we need to manually add the keywords, or Semrush will provide suggestions based on your websites and niche. Because here, since we have the website that we're going to check the keyword rankings is going to be Discord, these are going to be some of the options that obviously Semrush are suggesting. All right. So Discord login, download. You also have an option for the tag keywords if you want. All right. Or if you want to import from, you have this option. If you have set a list of keywords that you wanted to target or you want to track the rankings, all right, you can upload a text or CSV, another campaign. Keyword strategy builder, we have a separate video for that because all the tools here are correlated, because the idea is you wanted to increase the ranking of your website or your domain using these keywords. All right, so if you're interested, you might want to check our tutorial about keywords strategy builder and how it can help build traffic to your domain or website. Now the next option is going to be Semrush suggestions, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console. If you click these Semrush suggestions, you see these are going to be some of the options for you to click. You can select the source, organic research, advertising research, keyword magic tool, which we also covered in the past that you might want to check. All right. And the domain is discord.com. But for now, we're going to be selecting the first option, which is the organic research on all keywords. But if you are like doing an advanced keyword ranking research, just use all of these options right here. And from here, you can keywords to add. You can put in 10, 20, 50 to 100. But for now, let's keep it as it is, around 10, maybe 20. and click the import. Now, it is now added to campaign. The keyword limit is set here. These are going to be the keywords. Tracking started, action. Now, no keywords added yet. For example, this. You also have an option to send you weekly ranking updates. For example, if the keywords are dropping down or getting higher, you're going to be receiving a notifications via your email, which is associated with your Semrush account. Click the start tracking now. All right. You see keywords limit reach. Please check your subscription info. All right. Because as you can see that we are using the free trial. If you wanted to use keywords with a limited possibility, you might want to subscribe to the pro plan, but for now we are happy with this. All right. So this is going to be the status tracking started. If you want to delete all of them, right, for example, you have put in them by mistake, you have the option to, you see that, click the delete option, and again go to start tracking option right here, keyword limit, and if you click that, you would be forwarded to the setup section, to the dashboard. Just wait a little bit because it takes a little while. Right now here, after setting up your keywords, Semrush will start tracking their rankings. All right, in the position tracking section later, we will discuss that. All right, so now here you will see a list of keywords, their current positions in the search engine results. All right, gathering keywords data will take up 5 minutes, and they will send you an email once it's finished. Let's wait for it. Now, once you have received the final results, as you can see, updated from last 7 days, the top keywords is going to be these: Discord app, Discord channels, Discord download, and Discord login. Visibility is 100%. The trend will be displayed after repeated data analysis. All right, top 3 are 10 of these for the last 7 days. Organic traffic that it creates are 12.9 million. Authority score of Discord is 96, and organic keywords are these options. All right, but of course these are going to be the top keywords right here. Now if you hover down below, this is going to be the traffic analysis. Right, over the course of 6 months, you see that the it's on full display. All right, and these are going to be the keyword position changes. So it was peak around November, and it's kind of like dwindled down around December. All right, and if you want to view the full report right here, just click this button right here, but it would require you to subscribe to the pro plan. If not, you'd be able to see all the changes in real time. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.